Hey guys, Gabriel here with Vaping in the Workplace info. There are a lot of things to consider here, so let's just dive right in. There are a lot of people who don't vape, a lot of people that don't smoke. I mean, it's fine, that's their choice, but you do, and here are some of the things that you need to know when it comes to vaping in the workplace. First, you don't want to bother everybody with your big, delicious smelling clouds, all right? I mean, you might, I do, but the point is, it's not kosher. There are people out there that just don't want to smell it, and they don't want to deal with it. There are also smoke alarms to consider. Smoke alarms, they are real, all right? Look, they'll detect it, buzzers, beeps. It's no good for anybody. Everybody's got to go outside. It's winter right now. Nobody wants to be outside. You'll want to use a smaller device like a pod mod or a mouth-to-lung tank. These aren't going to chuck huge clouds that blot out the sun like that. So you should use those. They're super handy for getting little shots of the nicotine that you need, and also tasting your favorite all-day vape. I mean, it's really small. It's a little done. Hooray! Now, if you don't have a pod system, a disposable pen is just fine. Something like the E1s by VapeWild. I mean, they're great, they taste great, they give you the nicotine you need. They're just awesome. And you can throw them away when you're done. Just get a little shot here and there. Something else you want to avoid is blowing the vapor down into your shirt. I mean, first of all, this is not cool, but this is what it looks like. Sure, you can't see it, but there's smoke below me. You're gonna have this big old cloud of vape right onto you. People are gonna think you're on fire. They're gonna throw water on you. They need water, man. It's just not nice. Instead, you want to blow the vape below your desk. What's gonna happen is it's gonna stay down there, and it's not really gonna rise anywhere because your desk is blocking it, but if you blow it straight down, it'll rise like a zombie. It's a vaping zombie for those of you who don't know. Zombie. You're welcome. Moving on from the zombies. All right, so if you don't have a disposable pen or a mouth-to-lung tank, you've got your basic sub-ohm, right? Just take a really quick puff, hold it for about 5 or 6 seconds, the vapor's gonna dissipate, it's gonna go away, and you can just go instead of you know what I mean? It's a little bit easier to work with. Nobody sees it. You're fine. This is really the most effective when you use e-juice that has a higher PG percentage, not VG. VG makes clouds. VG, clouds, bad. PG, more flavor, less clouds, good. The goal here is really just to be mindful of your neighbors, right? You're in your cubicle, you guys are punching the numbers and typing up the reports. Monotony of work, right? I have to do it. But we have to be mindful of our people around us. Vape breaks are perfect for this, right? Everybody takes a smoke break or a vape break. You can go out there, you can vape, think about stuff, realize you put a 1 when you should have put a 2. Now you're saving the company from bankruptcy. That wasn't a very good whistle. So those are some of the ideas that we came up with that you should really consider whenever you're vaping in the workplace or when it comes to vaping in the workplace. Really, bottom line, if your place doesn't allow it, don't do it. This is not a great idea. So what we'd like to know is if you have any other ideas. So let us know down in the comments. We'd love to chit chat with you. We like talking. Talking is great. I can't shut up. People around the office hate me. It just happens, all right? Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Click the little bell icon wherever you guys are putting it. You'll stay notified with all the buffoonery. Good times, man. We just love vaping stuff. I'm serious about it. I'm not serious about much else. I mean, I don't know what to say. Most end screens, like, it's just weird. I do know this thing is getting out of control. This thing, should I cut it? I should cut it, Bender. Should I cut it? You're not gonna answer me. He never talks on screen. He's the guy that wears that weird mask in the Halloween thing. He drugged me out by my hair. He's rude. Anyway, if you think I should cut this beard, let us know that in the comments too. So share your ideas. Beard cutting, vaping in the workplace. End screen. Click on that video.